Implementation of the D.O.G.E Initiative in 2024, key phases and a $100 million budget allocation for blockchain integration and civic engagement tools. Introduction. In an ambitious move to modernize the U.S. federal government, the D.O.G.E Initiative, led by Elon Musk, aims to leverage blockchain technology to enhance government efficiency and transparency. Initially established during the Trump administration, this initiative represents a significant step towards reducing bureaucratic inefficiencies and cutting federal spending through innovative technological solutions. With a budget allocation of $100 million, the D.O.G.E Initiative is set to revolutionize how government operations are conducted, focusing on various applications of blockchain technology. Key objectives and use cases. The D.O.G.E Initiative is built around several key objectives. 1. Cost reduction, by automating processes and eliminating intermediaries. Blockchain can significantly lower administrative and operational costs. This includes real-time tracking of federal expenditures to mitigate waste. 2. Fraud prevention. The immutable nature of blockchain records serves as a powerful deterrent against fraud, ensuring accountability in federal operations. 3. Increased transparency. The capability of blockchain to provide a publicly accessible ledger enhances transparency in government transactions, allowing stakeholders to view real-time data. 4. Streamlined compliance. Digital identity solutions and secure document management can simplify compliance efforts, reducing the manual workload for government agencies. 5. Potential applications. Specific use cases discussed include budget management, secure voting systems, identity verification, and public procurement processes, all aimed at reshaping traditional government operations. Timeline of events. January 25, 2025, reports arise about Musk's leadership in the D.O.G.E Initiative, exploring blockchain's potential for improving government efficiency. January 27, 2025, additional discussions emerge regarding the initiative's focus on using blockchain for policy planning and operational improvements, including cost reduction and fraud prevention. February 2025, the D.O.G.E Initiative's official website is launched, marking its formal inception. Challenges and critiques. Despite the ambitious goals of the D.O.G.E Initiative, several challenges persist. Scalability issues. Experts point out that public blockchains often struggle with scalability, which could hinder their application in government operations. Regulatory uncertainty. Concerns about compliance with existing regulations can slow down the adoption of blockchain technology. Technical integration. Significant technical expertise and infrastructure are needed to implement blockchain effectively at the federal level. Public skepticism. Gaining public trust in a blockchain-based government system is crucial for its widespread adoption. Common themes across sources. All sources highlight the transformative potential of blockchain technology in government applications, emphasizing its ability to enhance efficiency, transparency, and accountability. Additionally, they consistently acknowledge the challenges related to regulation, public trust, and technical integration that must be addressed for successful implementation. Differences between sources. While all sources recognize Musk's leadership and the ambitious goals of the D.O.G.E Initiative, they vary in focus. Some delve deeper into specific use cases and operational aspects, while others emphasize the broader implications of blockchain in government policy and efficiency. Conclusion. The D.O.G.E Initiative signifies a major effort by the U.S. government to explore the potential of blockchain technology to improve federal operations. With a budget of $100 million and a focus on key areas such as cost reduction, fraud prevention, and transparency, the initiative aims to establish a new standard for government efficiency. However, its success will depend on overcoming identified challenges, including regulatory hurdles and public skepticism, as well as selecting the appropriate blockchain platform for implementation. Sources summary. 1. Crypto Briefing. Elon Musk is leading the D.O.G.E Initiative to explore blockchain's potential in enhancing government efficiency. The initiative seeks to modernize federal operations and reduce costs through real-time tracking of expenditures and improved data security. 2. OneSafe. The D.O.G.E Initiative aims to automate government processes using blockchain technology, which could improve transparency and efficiency but faces significant hurdles including regulatory challenges and public skepticism. 3. Binance. The D.O.G.E Initiative is exploring policy implementation via blockchain while addressing federal cost reduction and fraud prevention. However, technical integration and regulatory compliance pose significant challenges ahead. The D.O.G.E initiative led by Elon Musk represents a significant governmental endeavor to integrate blockchain technology into U.S. federal operations. With a budget allocation of $100 million. This initiative aims to modernize bureaucratic processes, cut costs, and enhance efficiency and transparency in government operations. Key objectives include cost reduction through process automation, fraud prevention via immutable records, increased transparency through publicly accessible ledgers, and streamlined compliance efforts. Counterintuitive information. 1. Historical context of blockchain initiatives. While the D.O.G.E initiative is portrayed as a groundbreaking effort to modernize government through blockchain, it emerges from the Trump administration's established framework. The initiative's historical roots may suggest that such technology-driven reforms are not entirely new but rather a continuation of prior efforts that may not have fully materialized. 2. Public perception versus technological potential. Despite the promise of blockchain in enhancing government efficiency and transparency, public skepticism remains a significant barrier. The irony lies in the fact that while blockchain is celebrated for its transparency and security, the general populace exhibits distrust toward its implementation in government, a domain traditionally perceived as opaque and inefficient. 3. Scalability challenges. Blockchain is often hailed as a solution for large-scale data management and transparency, yet experts consistently highlight scalability as a major issue. This poses a contradiction. The very technology designed to improve efficiency may struggle to handle the volume and complexity of federal operations, leading to potential bottlenecks. For a regulatory uncertainty, the initiative aims to streamline processes and reduce costs, yet the regulatory landscape surrounding blockchain remains murky. This paradox suggests that the very framework meant to facilitate innovation may also constrain it as agencies navigate compliance with existing laws that might not be suited for blockchain's decentralized nature. 5. Technical integration complexity. While the D.O.G.E initiative seeks to simplify compliance and operational processes, the actual integration of blockchain technology into existing government systems is fraught with complexity. This complexity could ironically lead to increased operational hurdles, contrary to the initiative's goal of reducing bureaucratic inefficiency. 6. Potential for misuse. Although blockchain is promoted as a tool for accountability and fraud prevention, there is a counterintuitive risk that its implementation could introduce new forms of manipulation or misuse. For instance, the suggestion that blockchain could eliminate corruption overlooks the fact that human behavior, including bribery and collusion, can still occur irrespective of the technological framework employed. 7. Focus on technological solutions over systemic issues. The initiative's emphasis on technological solutions might distract from the underlying systemic issues that contribute to inefficiency and corruption in government. This highlights a common pitfall in public policy where the allure of innovative technology overshadows the need for comprehensive reform of existing practices. 8. Public trust dynamics. Gaining public trust in a blockchain-based system is deemed essential for the initiative's success. However, the very nature of blockchain, perceived as a complex and niche technology, could alienate the average citizen. This raises the question of whether the initiative can truly enhance public engagement or if it risks further entrenching skepticism towards government innovation efforts. 9. Potential for increased costs. Although the initiative is designed to reduce government spending, the initial costs associated with implementing blockchain infrastructure, training personnel, and ensuring compliance could paradoxically lead to increased expenditures in the short term, challenging the narrative of immediate cost-saving benefits. 10. Limitations of blockchain technology. Despite its touted advantages, blockchain is not a panacea for all governmental issues. The initiative may face challenges in identifying the most appropriate applications of blockchain, areas where traditional systems might suffice or where the technology's limitations could hinder effective implementation might be overlooked. These counterintuitive insights underscore the complexities and nuances of integrating blockchain technology into governmental frameworks, revealing that the path to efficiency may be more convoluted than it initially appears. The D.O.G.E Initiative, led by Elon Musk, is a bold endeavor aimed at leveraging blockchain technology to enhance the efficiency of U.S. federal operations. While many discussions focus on its primary objectives, cost reduction, fraud prevention, and increased transparency, there are several significant aspects that are often overlooked in mainstream discourse. Here's a detailed examination of these underappreciated elements and their importance. 1. Historical context and political implications. The inception of the D.O.G.E Initiative during the Trump administration is a crucial detail often missed. It signifies a bipartisan acknowledgement of technological innovation's potential to address governmental inefficiencies. Understanding this historical context is significant as it shapes the initiative's political landscape. The initiative reflects a shift in governmental strategy that prioritizes modernization, which may influence future administrations' policies on technology adoption. The political implications extend beyond the immediate effects, as successful implementation could set a precedent for future technological initiatives, thereby shaping the discourse around government operations and efficiency. 2. Civic engagement tools. The budget allocation of $100 million for civic engagement tools is a pivotal component that is often overshadowed by the more technical aspects of blockchain integration. These tools are designed to foster greater public involvement in governmental processes, potentially transforming how citizens interact with their government. Enhanced civic engagement through transparent systems can lead to increased public trust and participation in democratic processes. This aspect is significant because it not only aims to improve efficiency but also strives to create a more informed and engaged citizenry, which is crucial for a healthy democracy. 3. Phased implementation strategy. The initiative's mention of a phased implementation strategy is another critical detail that is frequently glossed over. This approach allows for gradual testing and integration of blockchain technology, reducing the risks associated with large-scale failures. By adopting a phased strategy, the D.O.G.E Initiative can adapt and modify its approach based on initial outcomes, which is crucial for navigating the complexities of governmental operations. This strategic planning aspect is significant as it emphasizes a cautious and iterative approach to innovation, a necessary consideration in the often rigid and bureaucratic governmental environment. 4. Public skepticism and trust. While many reports acknowledge the potential challenges posed by public skepticism regarding blockchain technology, they often fail to delve into the implications of this skepticism. Public trust is essential for the success of any government initiative, particularly one involving significant technological changes. The D.O.G.E Initiative's success hinges on its ability to build trust among citizens, which could involve transparency in operations, education about blockchain technology, and demonstrable results from pilot programs. The significance of addressing public skepticism lies in the fact that without public buy-in, even the most innovative technologies can face resistance and ultimately fail. 5. Intermediary elimination and job impact. The initiative's focus on eliminating intermediaries through blockchain automation raises important questions about the implications for employment within federal agencies. While cost reduction is a primary goal, the potential displacement of jobs due to automation is a critical concern. Discussions around the initiative often overlook the necessity for retraining and reskilling programs for affected employees. This aspect is significant as it touches on broader societal issues related to technological advancement, including economic displacement and the ethical considerations of automation in the public sector. 6. Integration with existing systems. Another critical yet frequently overlooked aspect is the challenge of integrating blockchain technology with existing governmental systems. While the focus is often on the capabilities of blockchain, the reality of legacy systems can complicate implementation. The significance of this issue lies in the need for a comprehensive assessment of current infrastructure to determine how new technologies can be effectively integrated without significant disruption. This consideration is vital for ensuring a smooth transition and maximizing the potential benefits of blockchain. 7. Potential for global leadership in blockchain adoption. The D.O.G.E Initiative, if successful, positions the U.S. as a potential global leader in blockchain adoption within government operations. This potential is often under-discussed but carries significant weight in international relations and technological diplomacy. The ability to set standards and practices in blockchain governance could influence other nations' approaches and policies, thereby shaping global norms. This aspect is significant as it underscores the initiative's potential to impact not just domestic but also international landscapes. 8. Long-term vision beyond cost reduction. While immediate cost reduction is a significant motivator for the D.O.G.E initiative, the long-term vision of integrating blockchain into federal operations is often overlooked. The initiative could lead to a transformative shift in how government agencies operate, moving towards a more efficient, transparent, and accountable framework. This long-term potential is significant as it implies a fundamental change in governmental operations that could redefine public service delivery and accountability standards. 9. Ethical considerations and data privacy. The ethical implications surrounding blockchain technology, particularly concerning data privacy and security, are often overshadowed by discussions of its benefits, as blockchain's transparency could conflict with privacy concerns. It is crucial to address these ethical considerations. The significance lies in ensuring that while striving for transparency and accountability, citizens' privacy rights are not compromised. This balance is essential for fostering trust and ensuring that the technology is used responsibly. 10. Adapting to technological evolution. Lastly, the D.O.G.E initiative's approach to adapting to the rapid evolution of technology is often overlooked. The landscape of blockchain and digital assets is continually changing, and the initiative must remain agile to adapt to these changes. This adaptability is significant because it allows the government to stay relevant and effectively utilize emerging technologies that could further enhance efficiency and public service delivery. Conclusion. The D.O.G.E initiative represents a significant leap towards the modernization of U.S. federal operations through blockchain technology. However, the importance of the elements discussed above cannot be overstated. Addressing these often overlooked aspects, such as historical context, civic engagement, phased implementation, public trust, job impact, system integration, global leadership potential, long-term vision, ethical considerations, and adaptability, is crucial for the initiative's success. By recognizing and addressing these components, the D.O.G.E initiative has the potential not only to improve government efficiency but also to redefine the relationship between citizens and their government in the digital age. The implementation of the D.O.G.E initiative in 2024, led by Elon Musk, represents a significant attempt to integrate blockchain technology into U.S. federal operations. Here are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Cost reduction and efficiency gains. The D.O.G.E initiative aims to leverage blockchain's capabilities to streamline bureaucratic processes, ultimately reducing operational costs. By automating processes and eliminating intermediaries, the initiative anticipates a significant decrease in administrative expenses. The potential for real-time tracking of federal expenditures could not only mitigate waste but also enhance budget management. Analyzing the specifics of how blockchain can automate and improve these processes alongside a breakdown of expected cost savings presents a valuable discussion point. 2. Fraud prevention and transparency. One of the most compelling aspects of blockchain technology is its inherent immutability, which can serve as a robust mechanism for preventing fraud within government operations. The initiative emphasizes increased transparency through a publicly accessible ledger, allowing stakeholders to independently verify transactions and activities. Exploring the implications of this transparency on public trust, accountability, and the potential to combat corruption will yield rich insights into the initiative's broader societal impacts. 3. Challenges of implementation. While the D.O.G.E initiative outlines ambitious goals, it also faces several significant challenges, including scalability issues, regulatory uncertainty, and the need for technical integration. Public blockchains often struggle with scalability, which could impede their application in a large-scale governmental context. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape surrounding blockchain technology remains complex and uncertain, which can slow down adoption. A thorough analysis of these challenges, along with potential solutions or strategies to overcome them, is crucial for understanding the feasibility of the initiative. 4. Public trust and skepticism. Gaining public trust in a blockchain-based government system is paramount for the initiative's success. Public skepticism regarding the adoption of such emerging technologies can pose a barrier to implementation. Discussions around public perception, education, and outreach strategies will be vital in addressing concerns related to data privacy, system security, and the overall reliability of blockchain as a foundational technology for government operations. Evaluating case studies or precedents in other jurisdictions that have implemented similar technologies can provide valuable lessons on fostering public acceptance. In summary, the D.O.G.E initiative's focus on cost reduction, fraud prevention, and transparency is promising, but its success will hinge on addressing implementation challenges and securing public trust. Engaging in a detailed analysis of these points will contribute significantly to understanding the potential impacts and implications of this groundbreaking initiative. 1. The Tennessee Valley Authority TVA, 1933. Established during the Great Depression, the TVA was a landmark initiative aimed at modernizing the economy of the Tennessee Valley, a region severely affected by poverty. The TVA focused on flood control, electricity generation, and economic development. It leveraged new technologies including hydroelectric power to enhance efficiency and provide affordable energy. Similar to how the D.O.G.E initiative aims to modernize government operations through blockchain technology, the TVA's success in transforming a struggling region into a vibrant economic area serves as a historical parallel to contemporary efforts to enhance governmental efficiency. 2. The New Deal, 1933 to 1939. The New Deal was a series of programs and policies implemented by President Franklin D. Roosevelt in response to the Great Depression. It aimed to provide relief for the unemployed, recovery of the economy, and reform of the financial system. Like the D.O.G.E initiative, the New Deal focused on innovative solutions to systemic inefficiencies and aimed to restore public confidence in government. The creation of agencies such as the Works Progress Administration (WPA) and the Civilian Conservation Corps (CCC) demonstrated how federal initiatives could harness new technologies and methods to drive economic recovery and improve public services. 3. The Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health HITECH Act, 2009. This act was part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act and aimed to promote the adoption and meaningful use of health information technology (HIT). It allocated significant funds to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare delivery through technological integration. Similar to the D.O.G.E initiative's focus on blockchain for improving government operations, the HITECH Act sought to modernize healthcare systems to reduce costs, enhance transparency, and prevent fraud in billing practices. The Act's emphasis on technological advancement and regulatory compliance reflects challenges that are also pertinent to the implementation of blockchain in government. The D.O.G.E initiative led by Elon Musk marks a pivotal move towards integrating blockchain technology within U.S. federal operations. With a budget of $100 million dedicated to this cause, the initiative seeks to modernize government processes, increase efficiency, and enhance transparency. As we look ahead to 2024 and beyond, several predictions can be made regarding the implementation and impact of this initiative. Predictions for 2024 and beyond. 1. Phased implementation of blockchain technology. The initiative is likely to roll out in phases, focusing initially on specific use cases such as budget management and secure voting systems. This phased approach will allow for gradual integration testing and adjustments based on feedback and effectiveness. By mid-2024, we may see pilot programs launched in select agencies, providing insights into the strengths and weaknesses of blockchain applications in government. 2. Increase stakeholder engagement. The D.O.G.E Initiative is expected to foster greater civic engagement by involving citizens in the decision-making process through blockchain-based platforms. These platforms may facilitate public consultations, feedback mechanisms, and even participatory budgeting, enhancing democratic processes. By the end of 2024, we could witness a significant uptick in citizen involvement in government activities. 3. Enhanced transparency and accountability. One of the core objectives of the D.O.G.E Initiative is to increase transparency in government operations. As blockchain technology is implemented, public access to government spending and procurement processes is expected to improve. By 2025, citizens may be able to track federal expenditures in real time, leading to increased accountability and a reduction in wasteful spending. For addressing regulatory challenges, regulatory hurdles will be a significant factor influencing the pace of blockchain adoption in government. By 2024, we can expect ongoing discussions between government officials, blockchain experts, and regulatory bodies to create a framework that supports compliance while encouraging innovation. Navigating these complexities will be crucial for the initiative's success. 5. Combating fraud and corruption. The immutable nature of blockchain records positions it as a powerful tool for preventing fraud and ensuring accountability. By implementing blockchain technologies in areas prone to corruption such as public procurement and financial reporting, the initiative aims to create a more trustworthy government. Early results by late 2024 may showcase a decline in fraudulent activities linked to federal spending. 6. Public perception and trust building. Public skepticism remains a challenge for the D.O.G.E Initiative. By actively communicating the benefits of blockchain technology and demonstrating successful pilot projects, the initiative can build public trust. By 2025, we may see a shift in public perception as citizens witness the positive impacts of blockchain on government efficiency and transparency. 7. Collaborative ecosystem development. The D.O.G.E Initiative is expected to foster partnerships with technology firms, academic institutions, and other stakeholders to create a collaborative ecosystem. This will not only enhance the development of blockchain solutions but also ensure that various perspectives are considered in the implementation process. By the end of 2024, a network of partnerships may emerge, driving innovation in government technology. 8. Scalability solutions. Scalability remains a concern for blockchain technologies. By 2024, efforts to address these issues, such as the exploration of permissioned blockchains or Layer 2 solutions, will be critical. Successful implementation of scalable solutions could pave the way for broader applications of blockchain within federal operations. 9. International benchmarking. As the D.O.G.E Initiative progresses, the U.S. government may look to international best practices for blockchain implementation in public administration. By 2025, we may see the U.S. setting benchmarks for other countries, positioning itself as a leader in government blockchain adoption. 10. Long-term vision for digital governance. The D.O.G.E Initiative represents a broader vision for the future of digital governance. By 2025, the focus may extend beyond blockchain to incorporate artificial intelligence and other emerging technologies, creating a comprehensive digital strategy for government operations. This holistic approach will aim to further enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve citizen engagement. Conclusion. The D.O.G.E Initiative, with its ambitious goals and substantial budget allocation, is poised to reshape the landscape of U.S. federal operations through blockchain technology. As we move through 2024 and into 2025, the initiative's success will hinge on effective implementation, overcoming regulatory challenges, and building public trust. If these hurdles are navigated successfully, the D.O.G.E initiative could set a precedent for how technology can revolutionize government efficiency and transparency, ultimately benefiting citizens and enhancing democratic processes.